Hello and what's up, everyone? I hope you all are doing well and it's a new year. So, a happy new year. I hope and wish you a very good year ahead. So, let's get into the topic directly as it's a new year. So, I want every one of you to have a journal on which you can track all your trades and stuff. So, which will help you in your trading journey. And apologies, as I'm struggling to speak because of the treatment and all stuff. So, but I wanted everyone to have the journals. So that's why this video is very necessary to come out today or tomorrow. So, okay. So apologies for that. Okay, let's get into the video. So first thing first. So yeah, this is my Notion. This is my Notion dashboard. So this is my trading thing, the whole trading thing you can see here, my rules journal, setup, important notes, study, like everything I do in the Notion. Like it helps me organize it better. So let's move to the journal. So I have like two journals. One is for Nifty. This is a morning section, and evening section is for basically ES, Bitcoin, and crude oil. So yeah, these are the two journals I will be sharing with you. So how do you get it? So I will be dropping two videos in the comment section and also in the description of this video. So to get them, like yeah, just click on the link and you will be directed to this two pages. So when you go to this pages, you just hover over here, duplicate option, just duplicate it. It will like log into your Notion first, then duplicate it. You will get this the whole journal in your own Notion. So like yeah, the whole journal will be copied to your own Notion. So after that, I will explain you how to use this journal. Okay. So now that we are done with how to get the journal, let's move to the journal part. So this is the journal. This is how your dashboard looks like of the journal. So first thing, this is the calendar. You can just go to the weekly and like whenever you are preparing your weekly on the Monday morning or like Sunday evening, just open your weekly. Let's just say, yeah, it's Thursday today. So let's do this. So it's for USD, like whatever pair you are doing, like Bitcoin, Nifty, just add the tickers. If there's nothing, if you want to add something, just type it out and it will be there. So we do for Nifty. So let's do like daily and weekly and monthly log. Yeah. So let's for now just let's leave it for the weekly thing. So monthly it will be the here. So on the daily reviews it will happen here. So to add some notes or something you want, so you can add a comment over here or like just a name something. So like expiry. So add comments like anything. It could be like anything like 00. So yeah, it could be anything. So we did that, and yeah, so the name has popped up here. You can see the comment, or like you can modify it more further if you want. Like you can add the cover. Like there is a lot of stuff you can do. Experiment with it, and yeah, that's it. So whenever this is daily, so you will see this, or the if you put on the weekly one, you have the whole weekly schedule over here, or just do the daily. So you have the daily thing here. So now let's move to the journal thing. So yeah, wait, let me delete this. So yeah, let's make a new trade entry. So by default, the current date will appear. So if you missed out on a previous day or you want to enter your previous trades or from previous days, you can just select it. So let's do the 1st January, then weekday. It was Wednesday yesterday. So Wednesday, and yeah, then the ticker, which ticker it was, Nifty. Okay, let's do Nifty. I have also added like crude oil, Bitcoin, and gold for now. So time window. So I have added this based on the sessions of the 24 hours market. You can like change it for if you're doing Nifty. You can split it in like morning session, afternoon, and the closing session. So it will help you figure out like which time you are profitable or your setups occur in which session. It's like if you are trading a breakout, it usually occurs in the first morning session. So you can just do that, like track all this, all your strategies and stuff, what time they come. I will show you how to filter it, but as of now, like, you can change it if you want to. So let's do that. I will explain you how to change it and all, to customize according to your own needs. So let's do London for now. So this time duration, yeah, play play with it if you can figure out. Like, it's not necessary, it's a bit complicated. You always have to code and stuff, so you can either keep it or like delete it. You can just right click and delete if you don't want it. But yeah, time duration is like depends. It shows like how much time, how much average time you're spending on a trade. So that's one thing. So framework. So framework is basically the strategy you are using, the engulfing, CRT, SFP, or CIST. These are my entry models, which you can see over here. The setup thing, yeah, which setup, like London continuation, sorry, London reversal, London continuation. It's the same thing. So enter time frame, which time frame I'm entering on, say like minute one or like minute 15. Like both things, the combination of both, add both. So result is a win, loss, break even. So it's a win thing. So okay, win. What's the win, average win ratio? Sorry, risk reward ratio. So like 1:2, or you can just add to, like, if you are counting everything in terms of 1:2. That's two. Liquidity. So what was the liquidity level? So it was London high, which was taken out. So that one thing. If so, you can either go directly from there to here, like trade type, swing, short term, or scalp. You can add it here. So, or I have all the options here. You can just hover over there, and there are some hidden properties which are here, which might be useful if, like, in case you want something. So just yeah, experiment with it. Win rate calculation, yes, and all this stuff which are hidden for now. So yeah, basically this is all you need. Okay, so this is everything you need right now. So you can see here is a win result. So it will be under the win thing. So we named it UU, so it will be here. So yeah, so if there is a, if you just want to review all your winning trades, like what right you did on the winning trades, you just want to see what wrong you did. So all your losing trades will be here. You can also add images if you want to add images to your trades for reviewing and stuff. You can just scroll down, and yeah, here you can just control V, copy your image and paste it over here, and you can review all of them together. So that's one way of doing the journaling. And yeah, how do we change it? So this is a statistical overview. So here, everything, whatever you want to do, is everything is like how many days, like what's your win ratio on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, it will appear here. So how many trades you are taking as a winner. So like on which asset you are winning. So what was the entry model you're trading, and all the stuff will appear here. You can just like go over here and rename it. If you have different entry models, rename it. If you have different setup, you can rename it and it will change it. So basically, it's everything. So if you have different liquidity levels, instead of like New York and all that stuff, you just need like ledgers, previous day high, low, open, close. So do that, or like the VWAP thing. You can just go here and just rename it. So do it according to it, like monthly, weekly, everything is already there. So like time frame, I don't think anyone needs to change those. So the same thing, if it's a short term intraday or like swing or BTST, you can add to. There's the option to add. You can also add like this just for the sake of it. Let's do it. Now we added BTST and just open this, and yeah, change the icon. Let's just let's like use any icon you prefer. So yeah, now BTST got added. So yeah, so it will appear in your main dashboard. So this is the whole thing. The rest is the data collection. It's up to you, like what you want to collect. I just added it if someone wants to get into data collection. It's like in the notes thing, if you want to add notes, just reading library, you can add everything, anything you want. Yes, it will be a new page and you can just start making databases or like add images or anything you want. You can also or add authors, like if it's from ICT or if it's from me or Santosh sir or like anyone you learn from, just add the names and it goes on. If there's no new name, so like just add it and press enter, it will be here. So yeah, favorite lectures. With anything you add, you can just look at it in a tabular form, like depends. So yeah, so that's one thing. Okay, let's get back to the journal. So this journal is inspired from someone from Twitter. I took and like yeah, managed and made a lot of changes. And the one of the previous journals I used to use, this is a pretty simple one. Like it's simple, there's nothing complicated, just one way journal. So like just select the date over here, like Wednesday, this time. So it's like yeah, which one, like London one, Asian one. So like Asian one. So learning, like what did you learn? Like yeah, everything, yeah, like anything. It's like so like if you made some mistake, like SL. So it's like one SL, like risk reward, like 1:2. So it's like stop loss type. Like, yeah, did you partially close it? Like, I like to take partial. So was it a partial or a hard stop or a stop? Soft means like you on your own you did that. It's like you saw something on the charts and you close it. Hard is like you just let it hit the stop loss. So was it a win or loss? Okay, then that's one thing. So the outcome. So outcome was profitable or loss, like you taking partials and all that stuff. So that one way. This is like even if you take partial and all that stuff, is it winning or losing? The result, like what was the result? Like I took partial and then it became minus 2 money. So same thing. So you need to track this because like this will show you like in the longer run, like you should be taking partial or you shouldn't be taking partials. So like was it long or short? If it's long, then just take it. If it wasn't long, then just leave it. And at the end, you can just calculate the percentage and it will show you how many long percentage. Yeah, same thing. So point of interest, entry models, this were my entry models and setups, like this were my setups. So swing failure pattern on which it was a swing failure pattern, market structure break and all this stuff. You can keep on adding if you want. So that's one way. You can just go here and property and there is like select, it is select. This is something you can do research on it on the Notion thing and you can keep adding if you need anything else. So these are basically two journals you can add it. So let's just say you want to add filters. So like setup. So if I would just want to see like London breakout, like what the win ratio, you can just select the filter of those strategy and it will pop up. If you just want to see your win ratios, so just win and just make it checked. So it will show you all your wins. So all the wins average and all that will stop. Like play around with it, you will figure out. So this is basically the whole journal thing. So yes, I will wrap it up here. If it was boring, okay, then yeah, it is supposed to be boring because journal will make you profitable in the end because you will ask the questions you are supposed to ask yourself. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you like the video and hope this journal helps you in the journey. Okay, and yeah, if you like the video, like, share, and subscribe.